So all of Camelot is feasting at this time of Christmas. But as we see here in stanzas 5 and 6, Arthur is not yet ready to join in that feast until he sees some great miracle. And remember that this time of year, Christmas time, represents a rebirth, the birth of Christ, but also the rebirth of the Son. And as we see here in this text, Arthur himself is described something like a child. It says here, Arthur would not eat until all were served, for he was so jolly and almost like a child. Little reeked he of life, and so restless was that he could not sit or recline for long, so active was his young blood and his brain. So Arthur himself has this element which is childlike, and it's that childlike element that then causes something of a crisis to occur. Because he will not eat until some miracle occurs, well, naturally, some miracle occurs. Arthur himself is not denying anybody else necessarily, but they follow suit. They will not eat until he sees the miracle either. And he and his Queen Guinevere, who at this point is still young in her marriage to Arthur, he and Queen Guinevere are delighted to talk with each other and converse, but they're not going to eat. And that then precipitates the entrance into the court of this strange spirit that we see in the next stanza. Let's look at that next stanza together.